Hey, what's up guys? It's Reed with Kaizen Speed here, and today I'm going to go over our Kai-Yote Boost Control system. We're going to talk about how easy it is to install, how it works, and how it's probably the best boost controller you'll ever buy for your Mustang Kai-Yote platform, because we've made it truly plug and play. So let's dive into this thing and we'll explain how it works and what you can expect when you order one. The system's built around a single Kaizen relay and a control module. And we include a complete plug-and-play wire harness that accesses the factory CAN at the electric power steering pump. We have a 12-position boost switch for 12 different levels of boost control. And with our secondary output, there's an additional 12. So it's up to 24 different settings. Some of those settings are fixed boost, and some of them are based on front wheel speed. So we access the factory CAN and we use throttle position, engine RPM, and front wheel speed to control boost solenoid duty cycle. This system works with a 3-port or a 4-port solenoid, so depending on what your application is and how much boost you're trying to control from low to high, most applications will use a 3-port, but a 4-port's no problem as well. We include everything for you so that you're not splicing into your factory harness, you're not cutting and soldering or connecting in any way. Everything's plug and play. So you'll take the connector off your EPS, plug this Y branch in, and then we have access to everything that we need. This system has been proven. We've had this out since summer of last year. We're just finally getting around to making production units and explaining the functionality. The nice thing here is that it truly is plug and play and that there's no configuring of software or setting it up. If you plug this in, if you get power from our power source, we even provide a little fuse tap, and you can be up and running in an afternoon and everything works exactly as intended. We've used this on a Gen 2 Kai-Yote with a 6-speed auto to over 1,400 wheel horsepower. And it could be used obviously for more than that. It's just controlling solenoid duty cycle. The real main thing here is that it's just simple and easy. So you're going to save hours and days of time of configuring and testing, trying to get wheel speed to work. And we use front wheel speed so that if you lose traction out on the street, it doesn't turn the boost up as you go faster. So that's another function that we use that is not just generic VSS or rear wheel speed. It's front wheel speed. So yeah, everything here is complete. We have a USB cable that allows you to reprogram the control module if we ever had any software updates. And then the relay that's included with the boost control system, it can be used for auxiliary fuel pump control, because at wide open throttle, this this relay is triggered on. So we use that for auxiliary fuel pump control. So this is really a complete boost control system, varying levels of boost control, includes the boost solenoid, has LED indication here, and also includes or controls an auxiliary fuel pump. So what this is a boost controller and an aux fuel pump controller all in one. We include application specific instructions, so it's super easy. And everything here is truly plug and play. So right down to the power source. So if you have any questions, definitely let us know, but we've tried to make this work as easy as possible. So hope you enjoy it and spend more time driving your car rather than working on it. So yeah, if you want to order one, you can order them at kaizenspeed.com. We have a list of resellers there as well. And if you're interested or have any questions, then hop onto the website or shoot us an email. My personal email is reed, R-E-I-D, @kaizenspeed.com. Thanks.